Hi, my name is Brett Allison. Today I'm going to do a feature spotlight. I'm going to talk about the performance overview report set in our NetApp platform support. So the purpose of the performance overview is to provide you a real quick high level of how your different systems are doing. So you can look at all of your NetApp systems in one view and see, what the IOPS are, what's the latency, and real quickly spot your overall workload and if there's any systems that are having performance issues. In addition, you can drill down to very detailed levels here, and I'll give you a couple examples as we go through. The first chart that I'm looking at is the total operations per NetApp storage system. You can see this is a stacked area chart, and you can see there are two systems in this case, the ones represented by the green area and the one represented by the blue area, that have the predominant workload. If I wanted to see how this workload was spread across either the aggregates, vFilers, or the FlexVols, I could do that by just changing. Let's go down to the FlexVol, and I'll drill down on the blue area, and this is going to show me who is driving the workload on this particular NetApp controller. And I've selected FlexVols, so it's a lot of information, a lot of very detailed information. And now we have a list of all of the FlexVols in the environment and who's driving the load. And if we hover over a particular series, we can see which volume or FlexVols are driving the load. And by clicking on it, we can find out more information about that FlexVol, how much space it's using. We could even drill down into the LUNs that it's associated with, the LUN that it's associated with. We could see the masking views that are associated with that FlexVol. So it gives you very detailed information very quickly, who's using what, who's driving the workload. And we can do these for latency, read operations, read megabytes, read latency, write operations, write megabytes, throughput, write latency, other operations, and any kind of other latency that might exist. So to summarize, the performance overview is an excellent way to see all of your NetApp systems in a single pane of glass and to drill down to see who's driving the workload and what hosts or host initiators are associated with those, especially if these are or which FlexVols are associated with this workload. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more feature spotlights. Thanks.